Alrighty guys, well recently as indicated by the video I published recently, my poor Mazda 3 got T-boned, so I picked up a 2016 Honda Accord with a V6. Now, what's fun about these V6 ones is they come stock with 2 weeks of a battery. This one has actually already had the battery upgrade, but basically I don't remember the rating of the original one, but this is a CC 730 it looks like. And this is dead. This is from July of 2018, and it's done already. Like, I just randomly kind of quit working yesterday. So, got on the charger here. It will probably start one time. So I'm just going to show you. Well, first I'm going to measure the voltage and see if it actually charged halfway decently, or if it's just, you know, completely done. Oh, lovely lead acid. Anyway. Let's move my multimeter, like, stick that on the air box over there, and get the battery charger out of the way, so I don't have to hear on top of my server equipment. Okay, get the battery leads up. Yeah, whatever. So, my multimeter's not entirely accurate, but the good battery in the Mazda 5 read at something like 11-ish volts on this meter. I mean, that's like good. That is a working, for sure working battery. So, we're going to, sorry, I should probably aim that a little better. We're going to wedge the negative lead there and touch positive lead here. What are we getting? Well, you know, that's actually might be a pretty strong start. One strong start. We'll see what that does. But I gotta go to work in about 50 minutes. Well, excuse me, I have to be at work in about 50 minutes. So I'm gonna try to make a run to Walmart and buy a replacement battery. The battery that is in there is sealed. You cannot add water to it like you can one of the Walmart batteries, which it's funny to say, like, oh yeah, you should totally buy car parts from Walmart, but sealed lead acid batteries are dumb when you have the option of having ones that can be opened. So, I'm gonna get in here. We're going to open the garage for safety reasons. Let's see if we get a good start, or if it even starts at all. Don't have the key. I'm dumb. Well, I got a key. Isn't mine. It's my dad's, which means the seat's going to move. Which is going to use some juice from the battery. There goes the microwave. And by microwave, I mean that's the sound the seat adjuster makes when it finishes. So let's see if we get a good start. It's done worse. That wasn't good. That's cooked all right. It had been on the charger for a while. That's the highest voltage I've gotten a reading from the battery on them this whole time. Lights aren't super happy either, although they're probably running off alternator at this point for the most part. Okay, yeah, I think it is alternator because revving is affecting it a little bit. Anyway, so yeah, battery is cooked. Go ahead and turn the car off. And I'm gonna get that thing unfastened. Well, there is the battery out of the car. It's definitely not the worst looking battery I've ever seen, but definitely got some leakage. I'm gonna go wash my hands before I leave. We're gonna put it in the back of the Mazda 5 and make a run to Walmart. I actually quite enjoy driving this thing. really doing this right now. New battery has been acquired. It is 750 CCA, so it's even better. Hopefully it lasts a little more than 2 years, but if it doesn't, it has a 3-year warranty, so hey. Well, just got off work, headed home, put the new battery in, hopefully. Yeah, this will be fun. Alright, well, I'm finally home. Got inside, changed clothes, talked to my parents for a bit. Oh, that handle was not fully extended. Okay. And now ready to go. Now, before we actually, connect this battery, although I'm sure it's fine, I'm going to test it with the multimeter. Let's go ahead and let me shed some extra light on the situation. Hold on. For the camera. There we go. I'm gonna pull terminal protector off. Oh, that's something I should have bought. I should have bought a can of battery terminal protector while I was at Walmart. I didn't think about that. Oh well, it's fine. This is already very corroded. I would have had to have cleaned that first for it to really have been very effective. Alright, what did I do with my multimeter? Oh, might as well switch the garage doors. We're still set to 50 volts. Okay. Now, well, would you look at that? This is already reading significantly higher. Okay, good sign. Granted, it doesn't have any load on it, which is probably helping that a little bit. If it doesn't start, there's a chance my starter motor has suddenly gone weak. But I doubt that that is the problem. Now, let me just count. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to, oh my gosh. Did I get that on me? That's kind of nasty. I think that's battery stuff. Okay, give me a minute. I'm gonna get this attached and stuff. Okay, so I got the battery put in, terminals connected, at least as best I could. They don't really quite seem to fit right. I'm not sure why that is, aside from maybe them being dirty, but it is what it is. I haven't put the strap on yet. I'll do that after we find out whether or not it works. That said, let's open the door and see what we get. Ah. Well, kept the seat positions. All right, moment of truth. That sounds happy. There you go. Wonderful. Okay. Now I'll just check the alternator voltage to be sure, but I'm fairly certain the alternator was not the problem. Anti-theft system. Now, this is a fun part. I'm sure you all remember the old days on Hondas and lots of other brands of cars too, but for some reason I remember specifically Hondas being the issue. They have to enter a code. On the newer Hondas, you only have to do that if the head unit is not the one that came with the car. Here, we just hold the power button for a bit. And it returns to life because it's tied with the vehicle. Now then, what's weird about this car is you see the trip meter didn't get lost. Most cars that gets lost when the power is lost. Here though, my AC settings got lost, but that's okay. The things that get lost though typically are like these settings for some reason, and I don't know why. Like, let me... Door auto unlock. Well, no, okay, that stuck around. I'm gonna just let the car run while the battery kind of gets charged up, you know? I'm gonna strap the battery down and we're gonna go for a test drive. Clearance on this battery strap is quite a bit lower, or higher, whatever. It's one of the two, with the Walmart battery because of this janky handle. The interstate battery, a way better handle. In any case, socket set. Actually, wait. Forgot I was gonna check the voltage of the alternator just to be safe. Wasn't really able to do the alternator voltage with one hand, so I didn't show it on the video, but it's solid. It is great. So, on that note, Earth Dreams Technology, IV Tech, welcome to Honda Life. I said I was going to go on a test drive, but actually I have a friend who's supposed to show up in a minute, so I'm going to wait for him. In the meantime, oh, left it up there. Look at my socket set back in my trunk where it belongs. My also Walmart socket set, honestly. That's rather humorous, isn't it? Walmart battery, Walmart socket set. I gotta say though, this thing ain't half bad for the price I paid. Million puck. Only tasteful modifications here at the Rutledge household. Oh, I forgot the AC is on. It's ice cold in here. Golly. Okay. Well, we're gonna kill the engine for now. Or, well, maybe not. Okay, listen. So you're aware this is private property, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so why is your gay self here?
Okay, bye.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Okay, oh, okay, all right. Drive safe. No, but actually, can you park over there so we can take my car?
That's what I was doing.
Okay, just making sure. I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick and I'll be right back.
Hey.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna not almost back into your car this time, don't worry.
Yeah, thanks.
Well, I mean, I'll intentionally almost back into it, but I won't back into it. That's what I'm saying.
Hit it.
Right, yeah, I won't hit it. Oh, you actually pulled way back there, so yeah, I'm good.
Way back there.
Yeah, I got plenty of room. Okay, cool. Okay. Also, my mom's car. I've never felt like my mom's car was slow before. Driving home from work, I took the highway, and I was just like, oh my gosh.
You were trying to get out to highway speed.
Yeah, and I was like, wow, this doesn't go past the floor. I feel like I should be giving this more gas. Okay, well, also, apparently turn signal goes a little further. I didn't mean to flash my high beams.
Yeah, you flashed all the insects up there.
Oh, yeah. Going. Oh, transmission is still pretty rough. I forgot I haven't changed the fluid yet. We'll get there. Whee!
Yeah, say that again.
Okay, listen. We were literally like the first people in line in the McDonald's drive-thru, and they still managed to find a way to be slow.
Make notes.
What the heck? Is that Kia was making... Oh. I bet that was a case of road rage, all that honking earlier. You hear that? Where was that at?
Was that, you think it was coming from...
Oh, it could have been from... Yeah, it could have been in the shopping center. Yeah, we're going to go over there and see. Anyway, this freaking Kia...
doesn't know what they're doing.
No, listen. Did it freaking pop?
I don't know.
It's like it's relatively quiet, but it still just sounded like they did something to it. I don't know. That was weird.